Hi, are you feeling depressed? What's wrong? Are you suffering from a new strain of severe mental abuse illness whose tendencies can only affect humans? Or perhaps are you one who made it out without committing suicide but now suffer from PTSD?
All that suffering, all those things. I've kept myself awake from nights on end, doing what the psychological field health organization told me to do. But now, my sleep still is.
See, this young lass is a student of Kairos Russia Christian School. She is now age 14 and undergoing level child dysphagia codenamed grade 9. This process starts in the poor soul and makes them believe it cannot be treated.
Yes, thank you. It's in my mind. What do they mean to me, Jesus?
You see, the mental condition is treated poorly by people who are asking them to solve the various problems and mind-making problems they want injured for them. However, this method, though alleviated some patients from the pain, some relief from their thoughts is intended. Oh, there goes number one. We here at the Technological Institute of Technomedical Studies are dedicated to providing not a sensible cure for this disease by curing it, but instead issue overpriced rates for the solutions to the mass-induced hallucinations.
And in these $20 million video per minute video, we are going to solve a puzzle made by a strain of math called graphing. A 9-year-old Caucasian who suffers from extreme maths. The first step to solving the problem in his head is becoming Asian, preferably Chinese.
Step 2. We have injected a cancer-causing chemical in his body to enable for his cells to be projected. Here.
Okay, what do I do?
First of all, we need to present the question.
For the time being, we must solve for any unknown values if presented.
Then, using these values, you graph it.
Oh, I never knew it was so easy.
Shut up, kid! Stick to your lines. We're paying it by the word.
Yes, sir.
I said shut up!
Remember that when you do graph, it is to make it a smooth curve. Otherwise, for some ungodly reason, math-induced hallucinations will now go away.
Next step. Read the question, will you? Asian kid we totally did not get from a slave depot.
Exactly. We must find the time required for our hypothetical train to reach an imaginary distance of 6 kilometers.
Now, just observe this time, and your hopefully working eyes will tell you our imaginary train to 3.5 minutes to travel 6 kilometers.
Wow, it's so...
I say shut up.
For the next part, we need to find the tangent of the line to find how fast the train is going when it's at 6 minutes.
So, a brief note. We have no idea what a tangent is. So we kidnapped a mathematician from a government research and have given her magic mushrooms. He will now explain this question, and the next because we weren't paid enough.
To answer the letter C, we must first draw a tangent line to the dot that signifies when the train is 6 minutes after leaving station B. A tangent line is a line that touches that dot but not any other dot in the line. And then after that, we calculate the gradient by calculating rise over run, which will give you, and then we will find the speed using that gradient. To answer letter D, we must consider the gradient of the graph, and then we must describe the motion of the train during the first 4 minutes and the last 4 minutes through the difference in speed of both. And we should use a statement and compare using this difference.
And that, folks, is how you solve this kind of structured questions brought to you by Heavy Hallucinations. Wait, what was that video even about?